The decorated wrestler Gable Stevenson, he has got UFC champs pretty much early on, and now he's going to square off against Alicia Ellison. Alicia Ellison has a record of 5'2", 6 foot tall, 78 inches of reach, a jiu-jitsu fighter. You can expect a ground war, and he got finished by Brando Pericic, but aside of that, he was dominating on the ground. Gable is going to throw him to the ground like Gable Stevenson. He has a record of 3-0. He destroyed Hugo Lozama, Kevin Hine, Braden Peterson. He knows a bit of boxing, but grounder and pounder, that's his fighting style. He knows to ground and pound. And I think Gable Stevenson will try to take him down and to destroy him. On the other side, Alicia has some very decent BJJ skills, and I'm having a feeling that this fight will not go the distance. If I must pick a side, as much as I love Jiu-Jitsu, I just think Gable might be too strong for him. Just like Bonical and in his weight division. I'm gonna go with Gable for the victory.